Joyce's first tour takes the couple to the secluded Minobi Island, located just 15 minutes from the marina. So, welcome to Minobi Island. Interesting name.
Who's that, baby? Sino yan?
It has an 800
Huh?
square foot cabin on it. You want it, Russ?
Uh-oh.
Well, your dock needs a little bit of work.
Like, do you know what happened here? Why only half was pulled off?
Kiss, kiss. Isa pa.
Building on islands is expensive.
Isa pang kiss.
Get a barge and bring everything over. Right.
My first impression,
One more kiss.
just because when I got on, I didn't even
Not
feel
the
like I
toes.
but once I got on,
Smell pa. Smell pa. Smell pa. Ew. Smell pa.
It's the original cottage. The windows are new. The roof
Ew.
so the inside is still pretty rustic. Okay. There's definitely some room.
Oh my gosh. Come here. Give me your, no. Sari ka dito. Oh.
This is the original cottage, and the current owners, they filled in the
Baby, come to mama. Hari ka dito.
really is a spectacular view here. These windows were
Uh-oh.
Should we check out the main room? Please.
Kiss pa ah.
So pine, just been recently been
Kiss pa ah.
pretty amazing.
Smell pa na lang. Smell pa ah.
Recently redone.
Smell pa ah. Come on. Smell pa ah. Baby! Ba't mo ginawa yun?
appliances would need to be run on propane. So what about this?
Ba't mo ginawa yun? Napaka-naughty mo talaga. You're a naughty girl, aren't you? Hmm?
Right, but I'm assuming there's some in place without completing that. But we are
Kiss mama.
afraid of a little bit of work,
Kiss mama.
faster, how much time and effort and
Flying kiss na lang mama. Isa pa. Isa pa ang flying kiss.
Before you make an offer. Okay, great. So why don't we check out the bedroom?
One more flying kiss. Baby. Flying kiss to your dolly. Sige na. Flying kiss to the dolly.
This was added on.
the fact that you can see the water right out the windows is amazing.
Even the curve on the rock, so it has a bit of an infinity pool effect.
I don't know if it could be any better, really. I'm almost a little bit afraid to ask. But one thing that we haven't noticed is curiosity.
Well, for starters, there's no walking in the house.
There's one cup left.
Okay, we can
Who wants some more?
It's workable. I mean, the current owners use
Press my heart button to brew more tea. What?
Okay.
There's half a pot of tea left. Please pour 1 cup of tea.
Okay, baby. Oh. Ready? Ah. Oh.
There's 1
One.
cup left.
Come on. Ayaw mo?
Press my heart button brew and count. There's half a tea left.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayaw mo? Ah, sleepy na. Ano?
Oh dear. Oh, there's none left. Let's boil some water. Tea time.
Tea time. Ready?
There's half a pot of tea left. Please pour 2 cups of tea.